Hello, welcome to this week's Inner Circle. It's been a pretty quiet week in the FX world. A bit of movement on dollar CAD though, which is why we're starting with it. There was negatives the week before, but it's important to remember that negatives or positives have to be connected to support and resistance. So those negatives were simply enough to get out of any longs that were from the previous buy signal. So in a bit of a breakout mode, 132.09 is the key support. Dollar index been very quiet this week. Had a negative the week before, but we've just sort of drifted just a little bit higher, but very much still in a big sideways grind. There has been a signal on the euro, a negative, not quite at resistance. Anyone that was long, it's enough to get out, but again we're just trapped in sideways, so we've got to wait for the market to decide which way it really wants to go. Pound, a little bit of a drift this week. Everyone's still waiting for the election, which is still 3 weeks away, but again, not a great deal going on. Dollar yen, also extremely quiet, not really moving at all. It's worth remembering that the US stock market is in breakout mode, and the ETF RYF, which is the equal weighted ETF, actually I'll just show you it a bit easier. This has also broken out. This is the thing that I look for confirmation. So the final weekly and monthly resistance was breached the week before. You can see we've drifted back towards it, but so far held it. So 45.25, the critical level on that ETF, and that will dictate to a certain extent what the dollar yen does. Aussie dollar had some positives the week before, but not at support, and again little to report. And finally the Kiwi had a negative there, which is enough if anyone was long to say that hasn't really worked, but we're at a support point just below, so it's not a reason to get short at the moment. Okay, thanks very much.